Bye.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a subscriber, what's up? So MOB icy game, bitch, tap in, tap in. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. That's what I mean by tap in, bitch, period. Okay, so today I wanted to give you guys this icy grill, you know what I'm saying, cut crease. So I was actually inspired by this girl named Trina K. She's here on YouTube. Go ahead and subscribe to her channel. So I posted this look on Instagram, y'all, and my Instagram was blowing up. So if you are not following me on Instagram and you want to up your dose of Team Stacie, go ahead and just follow me on my social networks. It'll be right here. Also, before we get started with this video, if you want to become a super subscriber, go ahead and turn my post notifications on so you can be notified every time I drop a video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this look. Alrighty guys, so with my P. Louise base in 0.5, I'm going to go ahead and spread that across my eye. Then I'm going to take a makeup sponge and we're just going to blend that evenly, making sure that there's no creases before we lay down some eyeshadows. So with this James Charles palette, you can take any light blue shade and dark blue shade, and those are the two colors we're working with today. And first I'm going to pack this into my crease. As you're going to see, this look is going to be winged out. So I'm kind of making a triangle effect with these colors, and you can kind of see the shape I'm talking about in the video. So it looks good. And now I'm going to take a dense small eyeshadow brush, and now we're going to work in the crease. So with that darker blue shade, we're going to create the same type of shape that we did, but we're just going to do it within the lighter blue. So now back in with the first brush that we used, we take out the majority of the product, and now we're going to use circular motions to blend the two colors together. Not necessarily saying that this technique didn't work, it just took longer because as you see there was like a separation going on. I don't know if it was the base or the shadows, I'm not sure what was going on, but the look obviously came together very nice. It just took a longer time for me to achieve it. So now what I'm doing is I'm cutting my crease, and like I told you guys in my last video, when I cut my crease, first we're going to cut it into the shape that we want to, and we're going to follow the shape that we did with the eyeshadows. So now I'm going to take my micellar water and we're going to clean the crease that we just cut, and the reason why we're doing that is because we want to make sure that whenever you cut your crease, sometimes the colors mix in with your base. So to avoid that, you cut the crease, you clean it, and then you recut it. And now you see that there's no blue inside of the crease that I'm cutting right now. So here I'm taking kind of like a pencil brush, and I'm just applying that dark blue shade on the outer corners of that wing so everything looks like kind of 3D and has more depth. And back with my James Charles palette, I'm taking that beige cream shade that I just showed you, and I'm applying that over the lid to set the base. I felt like the white was kind of too bright, so I wanted to kind of tone it down. And this is my NYX liner, and we're going to do a very big jumbo liner. And I'm using the wing that I created with my cut crease as a guideline to how I want my actual liner to fall. And I'm just showing you guys I do make mistakes as well. This video was not perfect because, you know, when you watch these videos, it's a lot of things edited out, but these looks do take about an hour and I do make a lot of mistakes. So after I get my wing liner, I'm going to take my Duo Lash Glue, and this is going to be the adhesive we use to apply our glitter. Now, I'm not sure why the glitter didn't, I don't know where my clips be going, but the glitter I'm using, I'm gonna link it down below. It's just a royal blue glitter. You can honestly get from anywhere, but I wanted to use a royal blue glitter, so I put the glue above my liquid liner and then I just pop on the glitter. It doesn't get messy. Wherever you put the glue is where the glitter is gonna stick, so it's not gonna be all over your liner, it's not gonna be all over your lid. It's literally gonna go where you put it. And I do like to work in 2 sections. I think that's the best technique. Don't just do like a straight line. I feel like that can get a little messy, but when you work in sections applying that glitter, it leaves less room for mistakes. We're done with the eyes. It's looking good. I'm just gonna pop on some mascara so to prep my eyes for my falsies. And if you want to know what lashes I'm using, it will be linked down below in my description box. So with my Milk Makeup's moisturizer, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my skin. And then with my Hydro Primer, I'm going to go ahead and prime. And y'all, I don't know if you guys noticed, but my skin has been breaking out so bad. I'm actually taking new vitamins and it is messing your girl up. But anyways, with my Juvias Place foundation, y'all know this is my favorite foundation, all-time holy grail favorite foundation. I like it because it is buildable, and today I wanted to do a full coverage look. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pat that into my skin, taking my time, making sure everything is blended. And just a little tip, when you're choosing foundation, if you're stuck between 2 shades, one that's seeming exactly your shade or lighter, or you're stuck between a shade that's a little darker, for me personally, I do like to go 1 shade darker, as you guys can see, because when you go blend it out with your concealers and all that good stuff, it does lighten back up. So that's just a little pro tip. If you're stuck between foundations, I do tend to go a shade darker. So with my Juvias Place concealer, I love this concealer, and that's why I used it. Juvias Place, they have such a great price point, and their products are just very full coverage and just high quality. So I love that about Juvias Place. If y'all watching, please sponsor me. But anyways, with my black Opal foundation stick, I'm gonna go ahead and cream contour, and we're just gonna blend this out. And you guys actually love this look. I was so overwhelmed with how much like love I got off of this look. You guys, a lot of people DM me and told me this is their absolute favorite look that I've done so far, which means so much. And I can't wait to give you guys more makeup tutorials. So make sure you guys are subscribed if you're not already, because we are coming back to back to back with the looks. Also guys, if you guys like how my hair is looking, I actually bought this hair from the hair store. Surprisingly, I bought this closure from the hair store and also the bundles from the hair store. The bundles were about $50 and the closure was about $20, so in total I paid $70 to achieve this look. And at first this hair was not looking good, but then it came out very nice. So if you guys want to see me do more hair kind of related things on my channel, let me know down below and I'll be more than happy to bring that to you guys. So here with my Milk's setting powder in translucent, I'm going to go ahead and just set under my eyes, making sure there's no creases. And as you see, I look up when I set my eyes just so there's less creasing. So here I wasn't sure if I wanted to use this. This is the Loose Fit Me powder from Maybelline, and this is in color 30. And I wanted to try it out because I feel like it was the exact color of my skin, and I wanted to set everywhere else. So I liked it. I feel like it's weird because it looks like the exact same color as my skin, but then I feel like in my low light pictures it looked a little white. And then I'm taking my OLP Cosmetics, and this is their blush palette in that color that I showed you. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that on. And y'all, I'm so scared of blush. Like anything in makeup that scares me would have to be blush, because blush can get OD real quick. But I ended up blending it out and it came together, but at first I was really scared. So this is my Wet n Wild pencil, and this color is in Pearl, and I'm just going to go ahead and pop that on my waterline, and then I'm going to smoke that out with that light blue that we had used initially in our crease. And this is my Juvias Place loose highlighter in Royalty 2, and we're gonna go ahead and pop that on. And then I'm also going to bring that to my brow bone just to tie everything together. And this is my NYX Soft Matte Lipstick in Cario. It's C-A-R-I-O. I don't know. Cario. And I'm just going to put that on my lips. And then I'm going to take Victoria's Secret. It's like an iridescent lip gloss. And I'm just going to put that for a nice glossy lip. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Alright y'all, so that is the end of this video today. I did want to go ahead and just give you guys this dramatic glam. Very easy to achieve, a little tedious, but it was nothing hard. We're literally using 2 eyeshadow colors and a glitter. That's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have some looks that you guys want me to go ahead and try out on my channel, go ahead and DM it to me. My Instagram will be here. You guys can go ahead and just DM me and I will go ahead and try out some looks. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video, which is going to be Tuesdays and Thursdays. Bye, guys.